Got my 2007 Honda Rancher. It's a TRX 400 FGA. I did a mod to the muffler. I put a quiet muffler on. The original muffler started getting loud. And if you want to put a whole nother muffler on, you gotta fuel tune it. And I didn't want no part of that. So I had the welder weld onto the original muffler. And we put this muffler on. I think I paid $5 for that muffler at the flea market. It's really quiet. It's not loud at all. I put this other mod on here for look at this, for the thumb fatigue. Before I would go like this. Where'd it go? Like this. You ride like that all day, or just for a couple hours, your thumb right in here will start hurting real bad. At least mine does. Probably because I'm old. But look at this. It's a piece of rubber hose. Now watch this. You go down here and squeeze like that. Push on right there. I can ride all day like that. We got two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive. Where's it go? There's an indicator. Yeah, right there. And then we got fully automatic or electronic shift. That electronic shift, where'd it go? Yeah, thumb shift. There's the thumb shift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you put it in automatic, it just says drive then. Or you can go in reverse. How many miles is on this? It's got 324.9 hours. It's ready for an oil change. 4,843 miles it's got. That oil change light comes on too soon. I got full synthetic motorcycle racing oil, so I don't need to change the oil that often. Another mod, this Harley Davidson mirror, so I can see who's following me or who comes up behind me. That's off a Harley, a full dresser, I believe. What else? It came with a cigarette lighter. I think they all did. Not a cigarette lighter on plug. Look at those tires. These tires got ate up quick. They're from freaking China. I can't believe how quick they ate up. They ate up in maybe 2,500 miles. Both front ones ate up. And they're eating up just right. They're not getting it's not like the sides are eating up. Wow, I can't believe they got that bad. These tires I got from the Honda dealer in DeLand for $150 for 4 on rims. They were takeoffs. These back ones aren't bad at all. Look. They might be half worn now. Nothing like the front though. Something's in the tire. Damn it. What is that? No. That's gotta come out. I hope it won't need patch. You got a trailer hitch too. I like this muffler. It's really quiet. It didn't cost much to build that either. The bracket that's holding it on is for a semi-truck stack. was $10. That's quiet. Hear that little bit of noise in the motor? It's from not running high test gas. I put octane booster in and it quiets it. But there's none in there now. I like this Rancher. I got it with 75 original miles. It was maybe 2 years old. They used it in Michigan to plow snow with it in the driveway only. That's all they did with it. I'm sure they took it on the trail riding too, but no, I'm sure they didn't because they only got 75 miles. I like that automatic. Rather than thumb shift, you just sit there and just give it the gas and go. I really like that. I don't like this at all. That's horrible. These ate up really quick. I think 2,500 miles maybe. They're gone that quick. I like this ATV. I got a box on there to keep my paperwork. Where I go riding, I have to carry paperwork. For when I get stopped. I put this on there for a camcorder mount, but it shakes too much. It can't be used. It shakes a lot. I should try putting rubber under that and see what happens. The original seat's missing. I don't know where it is. I gotta find it. I don't really want to buy a brand new seat because a brand new seat's really stiff. I want to find the original seat and take the cover off. My friend can do it. Repack it in memory foam so it'll be really soft. I use another Honda seat that just fits on there and works. So it's not right. That's my Honda Rancher. TRX 400 FGA. 2007. It's getting older, but it always starts up and runs. I got that battery I put on there. I got it from eBay. It's one of those lithium ions, whatever hell you say that. That battery's been a good battery.